So, a lot of you guys have been asking me to get a tutorial on how to get flashback taggers. So, before we enter the video, please like and subscribe. I'm trying to get to 1.8 thousand subscribers by the end of the year. But yeah, I'm going to be giving you guys a tutorial on how to get flashback taggers. You're going to go here first. You're going to click your browser. Then, you're going to click, you're going to search up itch.io. And you're going to put in flashback taggers. Right here. Then, you're going to click on this over here, and then you're going to click download. And then just let it download for now. Okay, so first, you're going to open up this. You're going to go to, your unknown sources. You're going to scroll all the way down until you get your CX file explorer. You're going to click downloads. You're going to click flashbacktaggers.apk. It's going to say install for you if you haven't downloaded it. So you're just going to click install. But if I click update, my game's going to crash eventually. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. See you in the next video.